Anas, may Allah be pleased with him, reported the Prophet ﷺ used to repeat his words thrice, so that the meaning thereof would be fully understood. And whenever he came upon a gathering of people, he would greet them. He would repeat salaam thrice. Al-Bukhari.
Right. So the Prophet ﷺ, when he says a word, he would say it thrice. Thrice, he said it 3 times in case somebody did not hear him. This is to do with more than one. Let's say the group like this. So maybe somebody will not hear, especially if they've got no speaker. Okay, so nobody can hear. But you can't speak to one person and 3 times. Assalamu alaikum, assalamu alaikum, assalamu alaikum. You say, what's wrong with you? I'm not deaf, I could hear you. But if it's more than people, because Salaam alaikum maybe this side will not travel to that side. Salaam alaikum this side will not travel to this side. So he would repeat it 3 times, but not repeat it 3 times because it is the sunnah to repeat it 3 times. That's, you have to understand that. And also it shows that the Prophet ﷺ, his mercy and passion for this ummah, that he shows his manners, that he wants to make sure that the people understand. Okay? And when he is now satisfying himself with 3, not more, to show you that as well the level of understanding is of something like this. Somebody can't hear, somebody can hear but they can understand, somebody, mashallah, is the best. So the best from the first time, the one he cannot hear but he may understand, to wake him up. So there are ranks of level of understanding. So one person from the first instance, the second time, maybe some people. The last one, which is the slow one person, and we have to give excuses for those who did not reply the salam. Either he is preoccupied, or either he is did not hear the salam, did not see it. For whatever reason, you have to give him an excuse. Sometimes I'm in a group and I'm talking to somebody says Assalamu alaikum, and he means actually me, not anybody else in the group. So one of the group replies, and I noticed that person replied, and the reply for one person suffices everybody. So he says, wa alaikum salam, he said to him. So this person comes and he pokes me. I said, Assalamu alaikum. I said to you, Assalamu alaikum. I said, I've heard you salam, but don't you know that person replied you? So no, I want you to reply. Subhanallah, who said that this is the etiquette of salam? I mean, would it be replying would be good, but I had taken the satisfaction because I'm busy now teaching something and I fulfilled the salutation by somebody else. That's it. So if one person from the group, it would suffice everybody. Now, he actually wants to, sometimes they use the salutation in order to interrupt you, in order to take precedence, in order to impose their own point of view. Do you understand me?